Looking for an affordable way to explore the skies in 2025? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best budget drones of 2025 offering great camera quality, stable flight, and smart features, all at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're a beginner or just want a cost-effective drone, these picks deliver big value without the big price tag. Let's get started. Number 1. RUKO F11GIM2 is a standout drone that delivers impressive performance and features for both amateur and experienced pilots alike. With a sleek design and user-friendly interface, this quadcopter is equipped with high-definition 4K video capabilities, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage with incredible clarity and detail. One of the key highlights of the F11GIM2 is its advanced camera system, which features a 120 wide-angle lens and electronic image stabilization. This ensures that your videos remain smooth and steady, even during dynamic flights. Additionally, the drone supports a 90 adjustable camera angle, giving you the flexibility to shoot from various perspectives and heights. Battery life is another strong point for the RUKO F11GIM2, boasting a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge. This extended battery life allows for longer flight sessions without the need for frequent recharging, making it a great option for capturing extensive footage on outdoor adventures. Moreover, the F11GIM2 is equipped with intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Gesture Control, enhancing the ease of use and allowing for creative shooting options. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, family gatherings, or action-packed sports events, these features enable you to focus on your subject without worrying about piloting the drone. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE is a remarkable addition to the drone market, showcasing DJI's commitment to innovation and user-friendly design. This compact drone weighs just 249 grams, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry on any adventure. Despite its lightweight design, the Mini 2 SE is packed with features that cater to both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts, equipped with a powerful 12MP camera. The Mini 2 SE can capture stunning aerial photos and videos in 2.7K resolution, allowing users to document their experiences with impressive clarity and detail. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions, making it ideal for capturing dynamic outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 SE is its impressive flight time, boasting up to 31 minutes. On a single charge, this extended battery life allows users to explore vast landscapes without the constant worry of needing to land and recharge. Additionally, the drone can fly up to 10 kilometers away from the controller, providing ample range for capturing breathtaking shots from a distance. The Mini 2 SE also includes a host of intelligent flight modes, such as Quick Shots and Drone, which enable users to create cinematic footage with minimal effort. These pre-programmed flight patterns automate the recording process, allowing for stunning results without requiring advanced piloting skills. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE is a compact and versatile drone designed for both novice and experienced pilots alike. With its lightweight design and user-friendly controls, it stands out in the growing market of consumer drones, offering an impressive balance of performance and affordability. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the Atom SE allows users to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. Its 1080p resolution provides crisp and clear images, making it perfect for documenting adventures, whether you're hiking in the mountains or enjoying a day at the beach. Additionally, the drone features a 120-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that you won't miss any of the breathtaking scenery. One of the standout features of the Potensic Atom SE is its impressive flight time. With up to 30 minutes of battery life, you can explore the skies without the constant worry of running out of power. The drone is also designed for easy recharging, allowing you to get back in the air quickly. Another key highlight is the drone's stable flight performance thanks to its advanced stabilization technology. This ensures smooth video capture even in slightly windy conditions, making it easier to achieve professional-looking results. Furthermore, the Atom SE includes multiple flight modes, including altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing, which greatly simplifies the flying experience, especially for beginners. Number 4. Holystone HS440 is an impressive entry-level drone that offers a great combination of features, ease of use, and affordability, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and hobbyists. This drone is equipped with a high-definition 1080p camera that captures stunning aerial photos and videos, allowing users to document their adventures from a unique perspective. One of the standout features of the HS440 is its compact and foldable design, which makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry on trips or outdoor excursions. Weighing just under 250 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, which is a significant advantage for casual flyers. The HS440 also boasts an array of intelligent flight modes, including altitude hold, which allows the drone to hover at a consistent height, and headless mode, which simplifies navigation by eliminating the need to orient the drone based on its front or back. Additionally, the drone includes a one-key takeoff and landing function, making it incredibly user-friendly for those new to flying drones. Battery life is another highlight, with the HS440 able to fly for approximately 20 minutes on a single charge, providing ample time to explore and capture footage. The included remote control is intuitive, featuring responsive controls and a clear display, which enhances the overall flying experience.